Discovery Bay is located on the west coast of Barbados in St. James. Barbados is home to a great deal of marine life, and Discovery Bay is one of its diverse coral reefs. It is located in the Folkestone Marine Reserve. This Bayesian coral reef was studied in early January of 2013 using 8x8 quadrats. This allowed for the assessment of species abundance and coverage in the area, as well as observation of the damage present on coral heads. The health status of the coral reefs is vital for the support of fish and invertebrates.
In our analysis of Discovery Bay, the brown chromis and the juvenile stoplight parrotfish were the dominant fish species observed. Other species seen during several swims on the reef included reef squirrelfish and other species of parrotfish. The marine organism with the most percent coverage was blade fire coral, which can be harmful if touched while swimming. It will scrape the skin and inflict a painful burn. The blade fire coral had little evidence of damage in comparison to the other corals surrounding it.
In addition, finger coral was amongst the most abundant coral. They live in the benthic environment and are found in shallow waters. They form colonies that resemble finger-like forms, hence their name. In total, 10 species were observed within our quadrats at Discovery Bay. They were lobestar coral, massive starlet coral, great star coral, lesser starlet coral, and blushing star coral.
The sad truth is that although finger coral and fire coral each covered a vast percentage of the Discovery Bay reef, much of the other corals seen were dead and damaged. Coral bleaching was displayed by this coral reef, which was most likely caused by an increase in water temperature, ocean acidification, and coastal development. Discovery Bay is not located in a scientific zone of the Folkestone Reserve, therefore it is not protected by boat traffic and can be susceptible to boat damage.
On a positive note, a king helmet conch and elkhorn coral were present in Discovery Bay's reef, both rare species in the Caribbean Sea. Elkhorn coral is ecologically important in the Caribbean because it is a reef-building coral, and it creates a habitat for many species such as parrotfish. Since 1980, its population has collapsed by more than 90%, and it is now considered a threatened species. Why? Threats to elkhorn coral include coral bleaching, human activity, predation, and climate change, just to name a few.